The Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, also known as HIPAA, is a comprehensive piece of US legislation enacted in 1996 governing the protection and confidentiality of sensitive patient health information, designed to ensure that patients' medical details remain private and secure. HIPAA sets guidelines on how healthcare providers, insurance companies, and other entities must handle patient data. A HIPAA release form is a document patients can use to authorize the release of their confidential medical information. HIPAA requires healthcare providers to obtain written consent before releasing personal health information. This document allows individuals to specify what details may be disclosed and who can view them. It is also used to authorize the release of protected health information, covered under HIPAA regulations. This includes personally identifiable information such as medical records, lab results, bills, and demographic data like names, address, and social security numbers. We have designed a pre-made printable HIPAA release form template to help you and your patients quickly and easily create a legally binding document. Follow these steps to get started. Access our free template. Download our HIPAA release form using the link in the description. You can also get a copy from the Carepatron app or our resource library. Explain the form to your patient. Explain to your patient that they are authorizing you to disclose their protected health information. Fill in the blanks. Fill in all the required details on the form, such as your patient's name, address, and contact information. Then ask your patient to complete the form by writing the purpose of the release of information. Sign the form. Both you and your patient must sign the form for it to be legally binding. Here is a sample of our HIPAA release form, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our HIPAA release form, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.